A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple means
Same.
B for ball.
B for ball.
Ball means
Game.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Cat means
Billy.
D for dog.
D for dog.
Dog means
Kutta.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Elephant means
Hathi.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Fish means
Machli.
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
Grapes means
Angur.
H for horse.
H for horse.
Horse means
Ghoda.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream is
Ice cream.
J for joker.
J for joker.
Joker means
Joker.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Kite means
Patang.
L for lion.
L for lion.
Lion means
शेर.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
Monkey means
Bandar.
N for net.
N for net.
Net means
Ghosla.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Orange means
Otra.
P for peacock.
P for peacock.
Peacock means Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means
Rani.
R for rose.
Rose.
Rose means
Love.
S for sun.
S for sun.
Sun means
Suraj.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
Tiger means
Dog.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means
Chhata.
B for van.
B for van.
Van means
Body.
W for watch.
W for watch.
Watch means
Gadi.
X for Xmas.
X for Xmas.
Xmas means
Xmas.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means
Pahadi sar.
Z for zebra.